Hello everyone. Hope you all are fine. In today's video we will do pedicure at home. Give some time to yourself and do pedicure at home. Let's do our pedicure step by step. Let's start our video any waste of time. Step 1. To remove the tan. Add baking soda in a bowl and put lemon juice in it and apply on your feet. Make sure your feet are washed before applying it. Now add a warm water in a bucket and add some body wash or your favorite shampoo in the water. Put your legs in that water for 15 to 20 minutes. Step 2. For making a scrub. Take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of curd and half teaspoon of coffee in it, apply it on your feet and gently scrub it. Put your legs in the same warm water for 10 minutes, take a loofah and rub it on feet. Step 3. Make your nails shinier. Take your old toothbrush and put some shampoo on the brush and brush on your nails in a circular motion. After that, throw the leftover warm in a bucket which we were using till. Step 4. For making feet mask. Add Multani mitti and rice flour in a bowl and add milk in it, wait for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it with normal water. Done your pedicure. After applying aloe vera gel or any moisturizer on your feet, our pedicure is done here. Subscribe my channel if like this video and want more videos related to self-care. See you soon. Take care of yourself and stay hydrated and stay connected. Ta-ta.